2012 DVR Mobile Suites 38 RSSB3 for sale in Kissimmee, Florida, 34741. This is a 2012 DVR Mobile Suites 38 RSSB3. It is 39 feet in length, has 4 slides and electric awning. The unit sleeps 4 people, has 2 ACs, and the leveling jacks are electric hydraulic. This unit has disc brakes on all 4 wheels, Lippert axles, and 17.5-inch Michelin tires. This is an all-season RV with dual-pane windows, never been smoked in. This unit has all of the 2013 features. There is Corian countertops in the kitchen and the bathroom. The kitchen has a stove oven, microwave convection with hood, 4-door fridge freezer, ice maker, 2 fantastic fans, 1 in the kitchen and 1 in the living room, and table with 4 chairs. For entertainment there is 2 TVs, 1 in the living room and 1 in the kitchen, DVD and Blu-ray player, CD, stereo, power boost antenna, cable ready, and there is hookups for outside entertainment. For comfort there is a ceiling fan in the living room as well as a sofa sleeper, day-night shades. Master bedroom has blackout shades, furnace, and heat pump. The bedroom-bathroom has a queen bed, storage dresser, cedar-lined closets, skylight, glass enclosed shower, side-by-side washer-dryer, and there is an outside shower as well. Some other features include basement storage, with air shocks, tire pressure monitor, truck and power black cleaner, vacuum, 5,000-pound hitch, 2 6-volt batteries, and a 5.5 kW Onan generator. Also available is a 2012 Dodge Ram 3500 Dually Laramie, loaded, with 26,000 miles. Call for pricing. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://www.selectvehiclemarketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace of for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing. Select Vehicle Marketing also offers assistance with anything and everything you could possibly need while selling your car, truck, RV, boat, motorcycle, airplane and all types of motorsport and heavy equipment, including financing, shipping, warranties and more. Choose from one or our whole suite of digital advertising products. Call a marketing specialist now at Select Vehicle Marketing so we can help you sell it fast. Div Style equals